Hello friends, welcome all of you. We are going to discuss about the production technology of mango. Firstly, botanical name Mangifera indica, then family Anacardiaceae, origin Indo-Burma region, genus Mangifera, species Indica, chromosome number 40, pollination type cross pollinated. It is a cross pollinated by insect, housefly. Then economic importance of mango, it is used for the table purpose. Then second one, used for preparation of pickles and chutney. Then processed products like juice, jam, nectar, squash, mango leather, etc. Wood of mango, it is used for the furniture purpose. Then flooring, packaging, boxes and fuel purpose. Mango leaves are used in different ceremonies or the religious purpose. Then last point, it is rich in vitamin A. It contains vitamin A 4800 IU, and it is also rich in vitamin C. Next point, soil. Mango, it is grown in all types of soil except calcareous and alkaline soil. It is well grown in lateritic, alluvial, sandy loam and sandy soils. Soil should have pH 7.5. Loamy, alluvial, well drained, aerated and deep soils rich in organic matter are most ideal for the mango cultivation. Then climate. Mango, it is a tropical and subtropical crop. That's why it requires tropical climate. It requires tropical climate up to 24 to 27 degrees Celsius, and it requires 48 degrees Celsius temperature during the period of development and maturity. Then varieties of the mango. Varieties of mango: Alfonso, then Ratna, Sindhu. Sindhu, it is a seedless variety of mango. Then Langra, Pairi, Velai Columban, then Benganpalli. It is most popular in South India. These are the varieties of mango. Then planting season and time. In rainy seasons, mango planted in June, July. Then Konkan region, it is planted in August and September. Then next point, pit size 1 meter by 1 meter by 1 meter. Then planting distance, normal spacing 10 by 10 meter. Then for the dwarf varieties, 5 meter by 5 meter. But in Amrapali variety, it is planted at 2.5 by 2.5 meter distance. For the high density planting, it is recommended spacing for the Amrapali variety developed by Tamil Nadu Agriculture University. Then next point, filling of pit. The pits should be filled with original soil mixed with 50 kg well decomposed FIM plus 1 to 2 kg SSP per pit, and also a linden powder 200 to 250 gram per pit. Then next point, fertilizer requirement. Manuring mango plants starts right from the inspection of planting in the field. It requires fertilizer requirement. First year, 10 kg FIM, 300 gram urea plus 300 gram SSP plus 100 gram MOP per plant. Accordingly, a 10-year-old tree should receive nutrient content in 100 kg FIM plus 3 kg urea plus 5 kg SSP plus 1 kg MOP and should be followed for the subsequent years. The next point, irrigation. Irrigation, it should be depend upon the type of soil, then climatic conditions. No irrigation is required during the month of monsoon or the month of June, July. During the first year, when the plants are very young with a shallow root system, they should be watered every 2 to 3 days in a dry season. Then trees in the age group of 2 to 5 years should be irrigated at 4 to 5 days interval. When trees are in full bearing stage, generally 2 to 3 irrigations are given after the fruit set. Intercropping. In mango, intercropping helps check weed growth and reduces nutrient losses. Mango, it should be intercropped with falsa, papaya, guava, strawberry and fig. Training and pruning. Training means giving a proper shape to the particular plant, and pruning means removal of diseased, unwanted, dried or broken branches from the tree. It is known as pruning. Pruning, it also increases the better quality of fruit yield and also increases the vegetative growth. Next point, maturity. Fruits generally require 95 to 115 days mature after flowering. Then second point, building of shoulders and a slight depression near the stalk end. Then third one, color changes from dark green to pale green. Then fourth one, red blush develop on the fruit's shoulders. Then last point, specific gravity of fruits ranges between 1.01 to 2. Then finally, last maturity sign, it is locally known as pod. Pod means direct falling of the fruits from trees naturally. It is known as pod. Then last point, harvesting and yield. Mango fruits are harvested either by hand picking or by the using harvester. Mango harvested with the help of Nutan Jhela, developed by the Konkan Krishi Vidyapit, Dapoli. Then next point, with this harvester, the mango fruits are harvested with stalk intact 0.4 centimeter. Then next point, yield. In mango, yield is varies with variety, or it depends on the soil type and variety type. The average mango yield is 8 ton per hectare, which varies with the region and the climatic conditions. Then thank you all of you.